Are you still struggling with the flanging processing of header pipe holes? Let me introduce you to the RETA TDA CNC tube hole color machine, a game changer in this field. No matter if the hole is slightly larger than, equal to, or smaller than the diameter of the header pipe, this machine can effortlessly complete the flanging from the inside out in one single step. It's designed to handle various size relationships between the hole and the pipe, eliminating the hassle of dealing with different scenarios separately. In terms of size ranges, it's highly versatile. The pipe diameter it can work with spans from 6.35 millimeters to 80 millimeters, and the hole diameter ranges from 6.35 millimeters to 54 millimeters. This covers most regular production needs. And if you have requirements beyond these ranges, customization options are available to meet your specific demands. Operation of the T-drill is extremely simple. Just rotate clockwise, and the pin rod comes out. Rotate counterclockwise, and the pin rod retracts. Even beginners can get the hang of it quickly, reducing the learning curve and training time for new operators. What's more, all the hole punching T-drills are available from stock and shipped directly. This guarantees fast delivery, ensuring that your production schedule won't be delayed due to equipment shortages. Choose the RETA TDA CNC hole punching machine to make your pipe processing more efficient and worry-free. It's a reliable partner that can boost your productivity and simplify your workflow.